Most Python decorators are simple to write, but passing arguments to one, that requires a 3-level nesting trick. You need 3 nested functions. The outermost captures your decorator arguments, like a repeat count. It returns a middle function that receives the function you're decorating. That middle function returns the innermost wrapper, which takes the original function's arguments and runs your logic. 3 layers deep. Decorator arguments, then the function's own arguments. This pattern is called a decorator factory. Writing at repeat with 3 tells Python to call repeat with 3 first, which returns a decorator. That decorator then wraps your function, the outer function's only job. Capture arguments and return a real decorator. There's one critical detail you must not skip: functools.wraps. Without it, your wrapper replaces the original function's name, docstring, and annotations with its own. Apply @functools.wraps of func inside your wrapper, and Python preserves all that metadata for debugging and introspection. Here's the full pattern in use. At repeat with times equals 3 wraps greet. Python calls repeat with 3 first, gets a decorator and wraps greet. The wrapper runs greet 3 times. This same structure powers retry decorators, rate limiters, and logging. Configurable behavior, 0 boilerplate. 3 nested functions plus functools.wraps gives you a fully parameterized decorator. Leave a comment if you have questions. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.